Hey everyone, welcome back! In today's videos, I'm going to show you some brand new AI tools that can literally make your money while you sleep. Yep, you heard that right. These tools work for you 24/7 and you barely have to lift a finger. Let's jump right in. First up, we've got cryptocurrency trading bots. These bots automatically buy and sell crypto for you based on market trends, and the best part is you don't need any experience. Platforms like Pionex and 3Commas offers AI-driven bots that can handle the trading for you, make it in a hands-off way to grow your portfolio. All you need to do is set your strategy, whether it's conservative or high risk, and let the bot do the work. While you sleep, the bot is out there making your money. Next, we've got AI-powered dropshipping. If you're being curious about starting an online store but you don't know where to begin, AI tools like Sell the Trend and Spocket can take care of the product, research, order fulfillment, and even customer service. With AI managing your store, you don't need to worry about the usual headaches of running an online business. You set it up once and then just watch the sales roll in. And finally, let's talk about AI stock trading platforms like Trade Ideas and Kahoot. These platforms use advanced algorithms to analyze stock market data and predict trends. They give recommendations for when to buy and sell, and you can even automate trades based on those suggestions. Again, no experience needed, the AI handles the heavy lifting while you focus on other things. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on making money online. And drop a comment if you used any of these tools or have your own suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I catch you in the next one.